We are the Gelato World Champion! Yay!
Hello, I'm Dexter. I'm the chocolate sculptor, and I'm also in charge of the Gelato snack in the Gelato World Cup 2026.
Hi, my name is Jason. I'm the team manager for the Gelato World Cup team, Singapore.
Hi，我是伟龙，我是负责 chocolate carving，两个 gelato stick，一个 gelato glasses。
嗨，你好，我是 Kate，我是负责两个 gelato cake，还有一个 savory snack。
The Gelato World Cup is the pinnacle of gelato competitions in the world. So to win this title is definitely an honor, and also we are very proud to represent a small country in Asia and to put it on the world stage.
Competition itself is somewhat an extra curriculum for all of us, just to be able to still put in the rehearsal timings, the prep for the Gelato World Cup. I think that's the biggest challenge.
As a team, we came together and we felt circus had a lot of different elements to play about. Two of the creations that we created through the gelato cake by Chef Kit was the strawberry yogurt and opalis gelato cake, and also the chestnut gelato cake. And we have made the design to look like a circus tent, and that is done through the technology of Carpigiani machines through the crystal function that allows you to mold intricate shapes without compromising on the taste and the texture.
Carpigiani 的 crystal technology 是一个很好的一个 function， 它很直接没有很多反复的程序，在比赛的时候容易操作，帮助到我们出来的冰淇淋没有这样多的 bubble 在里面，这个是对我们来讲是一个很大的帮助。
出菜的时候，那个 temperature 冷的时候出，它的 texture 还是很滑很美，吃起来的层次感也比较好。
I've worked with Carpigiani for many years, and I find that they are always at the front of the industry, always trying to push the boundaries in terms of gelato making and creativity. The crystal function, I think, is very unique. You don't find it in any other brands or competitors.
Aside from having the technical skills and knowledge to reproduce a certain cake in a very high standard manner, having a good machine is equal to that as well. By having both sides, the technical skill from the chef itself and a very good equipment, you'll be able to produce a dessert or gelato that is excellent.
After winning the Gelato World Cup, our priority is of course to showcase and also to share the knowledge across the world in terms of gelato making, and also our ideas and our inspirations behind all our flavor pairings and creativity.
This competition journey to the World Gelato Cup has shaped me knowing that perseverance works. You have to be consistent, you have to be passionate, do what you like, what you love, and to never give up.
I think a lot of times we give up too fast and too easily, and we don't see the end goal, and I think a lot of dreams just stop there. I think it's a very strong validation also for every one of the team. Just keep at it, and one day the reward will come. I think that's the biggest takeaway from the journey.